In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the circle tool. There's a few different methods for creating circles, and when you click the arrow next to the tool, you see them. Let's try the center radius circle first. So the first click sets the center point. The second click determines the radius length. The next circle option is the 2-point circle. The first click establishes one diameter coordinate, and the next click a second diameter coordinate. Next is the 3-point circle, pretty similar to the previous type in that none of the points is the center point. First point, second point, and third point. Next are the tangent circle methods, and first I'm going to create a few lines that we can use to establish tangency. Okay, let's activate the 2-tangent circle. So this is a 3-click circle. The first point of tangency, the second point of tangency, and the third click will set the center of the circle. Now let's try the 3-tangent circle. This is also a 3-click circle. First point of tangency, here's the second, and lastly the third, and here's our circle. Now let's take a look at the last option, center 2-point ellipse. The first click sets the center of the ellipse. The second click determines the length of the major or long axis, and finally the third click the length of the minor or short axis. And this concludes our tutorial about the circle tool.